Imagine this. A concert is happening. The lights, the crowd, the screaming fans. Everything is electric. And in the middle of all this, a Blackpink fan pulls out a tiny little mic from their collar, just 2 inches long. Looks like a toy. No studio setup, no professional camera. But when Blackpink's voice gets recorded through that mic, people are stunned. Did the official studio audio just get leaked? That mic went viral, and it became the world's smallest, cleanest sounding mic. But today, it's not just about that mic. Today, we're showing you 7 of the smallest tech gadgets in the world. They might look like toys, but the way they work will beat out even full-size devices. And hidden among them is that Blackpink mic. So, watch this video till the end, because today, you're not just seeing size, you're seeing surprise. Let's begin with the very first one. Gadget 1. Fingertip flashlight glove. It's 2 a.m. The power's gone. You've got a screwdriver in your hand and the fuse board is in pitch darkness. No torch in sight, and your phone flashlight means one hand gets occupied. Then, you raise your hand, and from your fingertips, a beam of focused white light shines. This is the Fingertip flashlight glove, a compact glove with powerful LEDs on your thumb and index finger. Where your hand moves, the light follows. Not just for electricians or mechanics, this gadget is a game changer for bikers, campers, and night walkers. It's rechargeable, waterproof, and so light you barely feel it. Keep it in your toolbox, because in an emergency, it's literally a lifesaver. Now let's jump into gadget number 2. Mini spy camera charger. Picture this. A charger plugged into the wall. Looks just like a regular USB adapter, but inside, it's watching everything. This is the mini spy camera charger. It looks harmless, but hidden within is a high-definition camera lens. It activates automatically with motion detection. No blinking light, no shutter sound. Completely silent, perfect for home security, watching your kid's nanny, or protecting your valuables. And yes, it actually charges devices too. Looks like nothing, but records everything. Let's move forward to the third gadget, L8 Star BM10 Keychain phone. You're out on an adventure trip, phone's dead, signal's weak, and you need to make a call. Out of your pocket comes something tiny, a keychain-looking gadget, but guess what? It's a real phone. This is the L8 Star BM10, the smallest functional phone in the world. Insert a SIM card, and you've got calling and texting. It also works as a Bluetooth backup to your main phone. It charges once and stays on for almost a week. Whether you're a traveler or just someone who loves emergency-ready gadgets, this is a must-have. If you're enjoying these insane gadgets so far, make sure to hit the like button, subscribe to the channel, and set the bell icon to all so you never miss this kind of content. Let's move on to the fourth tech marvel, SmartCoin GPS tracker. You step out of your office and realize your wallet's gone. Panic sets in, but then you pull out your phone, open an app, and your wallet's location pops up live on screen. That's what the SmartCoin GPS tracker does, a coin-sized tracker that fits in your wallet, bag, or keys. Using real-time GPS and Bluetooth, it helps you locate lost stuff instantly. Nearby, it buzzes to help you find it fast. Waterproof, durable, and long battery life. This tiny thing gives big-time peace of mind. Let's go ahead and see the fifth gadget. Pocket laser keyboard. You're in a coffee shop, no laptop, urgent email due. From your bag, you take out a small device, place it on the table, and a red laser shoots out. In seconds, a full virtual keyboard appears. This is the Pocket Laser Keyboard. It projects a working keyboard on any surface. Just type on the table, and it reads your finger movements, instantly connects via Bluetooth to your phone or tablet. Futuristic, compact, and guaranteed to impress anyone who sees it. Now let's take a look at gadget number 6. Smart NFC ring. You're at a meetup, someone asks for your Insta, another wants the Wi-Fi. You just smile, tap your ring to their phone, boom, all info shows up. This is the Smart NFC ring. It holds contact info, social media, even passwords, all inside a sleek ring. Tap on any NFC-compatible phone, and the data appears in seconds. No app, no battery, no fuss. Fashion meets function in the smallest form ever. Now let's head to our final gadget. The most viral, most shocking tech piece in this entire list. Gadget 7. The viral Blackpink mic, Smart Mic Plus. You're scrolling through YouTube Shorts. A video pops up, a fan at a Blackpink concert wearing a tiny 2-inch mic clipped to their collar. Later, they upload the recording, and people go crazy. Did Blackpink's official audio just leak? The mic's sound was unbelievably clear. No crowd noise, no echo, just pure vocals. That video went viral, and everyone wanted to know what mic it was. It was the Smart Mic Plus, a wireless studio-grade microphone that's tiny in size but huge in performance. With noise cancellation, real-time Bluetooth sync, and advanced app controls, it became every content creator's dream tool. For creators without DSLR setups, just a phone, this mic became a studio in your pocket, and after that viral moment, this tiny device became the Blackpink of audio tech. So, these were the world's smallest, yet most powerful, tech gadgets. They work silently in the background, but their impact? Massive. If you found this video interesting, make sure to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon set to all so you never miss another epic upload. And let us know in the comments which gadget was your absolute favorite. If you have a friend who's a tech lover, share this video with them too, because this kind of tech deserves to be seen by everyone. And one more thing, if today's gadgets blew your mind, there's one more video you simply can't miss. It's all about self-defense gadgets that are legal, hidden, and totally insane. That video is on screen right now. Click it and brace yourself for the next tech shock. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video.